guys, it's your baby and you're back in with another video. And today I'll be playing PUBG. I don't know, but as you can see from the screen, I guess. Okay. I've already played some games. It's fun. I'm not really that good. Yeah, but I'll try, I guess. Already, I have done with it. Oh no, I gotta wait. I forgot to just to wait. I'm going to pause the video so I can download it for the video. So see you in a bit. Yeah guys, I'm back. I just finished downloading Sunhawk. I'm gonna be playing the Sunhawk map. I'm playing a squad. Let's see. Oh, I don't like it. I want to play. Ooh.
Where are you now?
That's nice.
Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now?
Actually, I don't know why I'm singing this song. I don't really like it.
Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream.
Is it stuck or something? It's my Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay. I heard something like landing or what the hell? Oh. Okay. That's the good paradise resort. Let's follow him. Oh, we're playing in duos, not squad. That's okay. We follow him. So where is he taking? Okay, we're pro player. He's welcome to paradise. He's a pro player. Continue. Oh. I hope I'm not landing. Okay. The lag is real. Oh no, why? Why lag? Just let me play. Oh no. Somebody's shooting at me, but where? Is there someone else? Why do you steal all my loot? This dude's taking everything, yeah? Okay, easy. What? So many UMPs here. What did you keep telling me this? The frag grenade. That scared me so bad. Okay. So we've cleared the town afterwards. Yes. Now I'm gonna get into our house. What is it? Another vector. And a UMP. How the hell are these small bullets? It's not good for anything. I don't really know.
Let's go!
Ah, so you tell me let's go. Oh, somebody said you could be the leader. Well, I didn't say you could be the leader, but okay. I'll follow you. Oh, I knew that. Oh, what's that? And the dude is good. He's good to begin. Don't take all the scopes. Also need information. Oh, it looks like I'm cool. This is weird. Some person. Somebody has a car. That's cool. Okay, that's good.
Get in the car.
Okay, boss. Let's go then. This is really cool. This is so different from taking distraction. Okay, remove this. I couldn't have picked the PP. But it's okay. But that's it. Okay, look at that. Let's go bootcamp, my man. Hey, don't flip a car, eh? If you flip this, you only have 3 grenades to unflip it. How the hell have you now done? Look like a fool. Why are you shooting me? What the hell?
Get in the car.
Which one? Which one? Oh, there's a drop. We'll take the AWL. I am okay with the car 98. I could use an M24, but the car 98 is okay. How many snakes will be here? Look at all this grass, man. I keep better watch out. Keep watch for him. I'm sorry this is here, and it will affect most of you. Okay. I can't see the dude. Where is he? Okay. Has he done looting? No. What the hell? Oh, where's my orb? I did take it, didn't I? Oh, there it is.
Get in the car.
Nothing good. Now that this dude is killing everybody,
Get in the car.
we'll just shoot him real quick.
Let's go.
Oh, you'll have to wait, my man. For scope. Perfect. have been seen. What happened? Oh, he's already gone for it. What an awesome guy. Wow, just wow. No. I want to see what this dude will do. Who or what is he shooting at? Let me just fix my settings real quick. Okay, controls. Customize. Move this. So large and turn it down a bit and too small. Put over here. Save. Keep exit. Exit. It won't shoot. What the hell? Oh. Oh no. Controls. No. No. What the hell am I doing? No, stop shooting. Okay, now I can fix this. Why the hell is it doing that? Controls. Ah, really? No wonder I couldn't shoot him. Oh, who's shooting at me? Oh, he killed him. Wow. This dude is such a pain in the butt. You won't let me kill anyone.
Let's go.
Put this copy. And like that. Contact first later. And let's go. But after this is very I've only killed one dude. I'm not playing FPP again. I'm never playing FPP. This is so hard. What the hell? Or is it just my controls that are bad? Or is it whenever I'm playing it won't even let me kill a dude? See? Takes every kill that I get. Okay, next time I'm playing service. hope he dies. Because he's killing on my kill. I only have 1 kill. I'm sure he has 8 by now. This thing is so boring. Why is it even there? I can't even see who's shooting. Somebody else killed me. What the hell? Okay, now I'm finally. Thank the Lord I'm doing it. Just exit. And an AUG A3, I'm never taking that gun again. Let me start the game again. Now playing differently because that was stupid. I'm playing solos.
Where are you now? Was it all in my
Stop. I couldn't even see a single thing. Not my light. Perfect. Let's do this thing. Hey. Okay. I guess. Who's being yelled at?
أيوة أحسن شي إذا بكون فصل عنده، إذا بكون طلع منه.
Okay, let me just land.
بدنا ننزل هون.
Oh, I'm playing in pause. I kept. Okay. Okay, landed both times. Don't click on people. Left. Where is that? Everybody's following him. What will happen? Once we land the worst place ever. So afraid of boot camp Harry. Look at how many people are going here. Look. Okay. Maybe they're just what do you call them again? Forget their name. No problem. Let's get the guns fast. Why is he landing so slow? Oh my goodness. Man, follow this dude. Look, that dude already landed. He's going to get a gun fast and kill us all fast. He landed exactly where he was. Go to this house real quick. What? Look at this. See what I said? Again. And we're all going to die. Look out and finish him. Look at the number one, he's long gone. Okay. Oh, I didn't know he was alive. No, he's going to kill me. And the number one won't even take time to come and heal me. Okay, I died. Fuck. Why am I dying so easily? Okay, now I'm not following anybody. Why am I playing in squads when I want solos? This game. Let me just fix my controls fast, because that's messing me up really badly. Sit in comfortable position. I know you can't see me, but yeah, I'm sitting in a comfortable position. Oh. So late. Fix man. You have to press an OK. It's easier to use. This put on something smaller. The graphics is okay. Now I should be able to win. I'll show you how it's done. People are so afraid of boot camp. Why is there nobody? I've played 2 team matches. Nobody's landing in boot camp. I like boot camp because there's more action. Okay, this takes so long. I could go get water, come back, and still this for reloading. So I've landed. I have not landed. Okay. I'm getting punched. Who's punching me? Let me tell you all a trick. You see, once you land in boot camp and you get something like a sniper, stand over there. Then jump here. Once you jump there, and you hide properly, no one can see it, then you can kill everybody with a sniper. You can shoot them according to your shooting. And this will almost every single time pass through boot camp. Like it's something that it must do. Okay, let's land in here. Enjoy yourself. Let's come up. No. Okay, let's land. Get some apples, kill everybody. Oh no. I can already sense the lag. See? Oh, thank the Lord. It's changed. See what I'm talking about? No. Somebody else has landed here. I was almost up. What is that? Another AK. That is going to be a sniper. Take the bullets. Who's shooting? I've seen someone die. They're there. There's a dude there. Oh, he's a good player. Okay, let us see. I'm a bad player. I'm afraid of that. Just one dude. And where is he? Where is the? There's the dude who's over there. There's a totem scope there. I think. Yep. Who's shooting over there? Isn't this the thing? It's so close. I got millions. I got so many people with the room. Okay, I might just try to get. Okay. get in the house, get in the house right now. There's somebody in there. No, he's climbing up. I can hear him. Oh, that's good. Oh no, I've seen him. Oh no, he killed me. I guess I'm not that good either. I haven't played PUBG in a long while. I'm such a noob. Okay, I'm going to play one more game, I guess. We're playing Duo. I'm leaving for a while. I'm going to take something. I'll be back. So yeah guys, I'm back. Oh, still loading. Okay, it won't open. Where to land? What camp? If he doesn't come with me, he may follow him, you know? No, he's following me. Let's jump to boot camp. Land on the roof. Let's see if I can get some easy weapons. An M24. And an MK. I don't think you can have a worse loadout. Apart from the M24. That's lucky to land on, you know? How am I picking up suppressor for pistols? Doesn't it take? Okay, maybe he has one. I'm gonna keep the UMP. MK47, not the best gun. QBZ. Where's dog? Somebody is walking around. Oh, I killed 2 people. Nothing good. Not a half grip, no, never. Oh no, what have I just done? Let me keep the grenade. Right. Oh, backpack level 3. This game is going nice for me. Okay, let's climb up real quick. What are the chances? Somebody's climbing up. No, he's going. He was down there. I was coming to help him. Six scope. Oh no. Really? I kept the 6 scope on the wrong gun. Nothing better yet. As I was saying, you could get one. Let me just climb up here. Take this. There's a lot of fight here. 3 kills. Not bad. Considering me dying. And my lag. So where are we? No, we killed him. The drop is right here. That's unbelievable. And what are the chances? AWM. Should I keep it? It only contains 20 bullets. I could let him take the AWM. But 20 bullets, that's hard to work with. Especially me. I'm gonna keep them 24. I'm not a greedy person. Let me give him the AWM and the bullets. Don't be so greedy. What do you say to say? Okay. You just shot at me, you idiotic man. No, stole another one of my kills. So how are you doing today? Are you doing okay? Where are you going? Oh, my lag is so bad. Suppressor for the AR. Perfect, just perfect. Did he take the AWM? I hope he did. And I hope he finds something like an 8 scope. That's perfect. No, come take this, you idiot. Come take the AWM. Oh no. Don't steal. Don't steal. Nothing else good. Oh no. 40 bullets is perfect, considering me missing every single damn shot. Drop the 3 scope. Gave him the suppressor, flash hider. I'm really dropping a lot for this dude. Did he take that? You haven't taken the AWM. Seriously? Okay, let me tell him. I have AWM done. I hope he comes back for this. I don't know if I wanna leave this here. Somebody gets his hands on this. I'm gonna leave it for somebody to enjoy. There's a dude. Oh, he killed him. Where is you? What? This dude is a beast with that thing. No wonder he doesn't exchange it. Compensator snipers. Better than the flash hider. What is he doing all the way over there? Is he doing the only VSS challenge? Or what's up with this dude? Literally. Oh, what have I just did? That's so dumb. Too busy. I have to drop everything again. Drop that. Drop that. That was dumb. QBU. Used to like it. I have 5 grenades. I might not even use one of them. This dude, I'm sure, has 10 kills by now. What the hell? When I play solo, I get 0 kills. When I play duos, the people take all my kills. What do they want me to play? Oh, let me heal. Okay, let me get into the safe zone. This dude has killed so many people. What? Look at all those. Hope one of the dudes had an 8 scope. No. What? Oh no. Let me go get a charger. Oh, I have one right here. Let me just take this one. Because my phone will die if I don't charge it right now. Sorry. Not feeling too well, I guess. Let's get out of here. People have been here. QBZ is a beast. He had nothing good. Maybe the Molotov. Nothing else. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Don't worry, I'm a bit crazy. Oh no. Man, you better start running if you see the pace we are going at. I mean, the road that we're supposed to go at. That we should never start. I wish there's a car down there. But it's already coming. No.
Let's go.
No. Okay, I heard you the first time. Is that a bridge? Oh yeah, it's a bridge. We have to pass through the bridge. We do not want to swim, do we? That just slowed me down, didn't it? What the hell? This dude is good at the game. Let me just get into the safe zone fast. I run over there. Dude, and he's fast. We won. This dude has the aim. Oh my god, how the hell did he kill him? Wow, I'd love to play with this dude again. 11 kills. This dude is good. Too bad I have to change to play another person. Too bad. Why can't I get that many kills in solos? Well, I'll have to end the video here, guys. At least you got a chicken dinner. Make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one.